Alright guys, I had a proper break in the weather. Got some time off work, so I've been able to get out with quite a few RC cars that have not run for a while. Today we are running the mighty Monster Beetle. This has got a hobby wing, max 10 ESC and a 3300 kV motor. Let's see what we can get up to. Oh yeah boys. Yeah, that's awesome. Awesome. Them gold wheels really give it a pop. This is an iconic Tamiya. Oh, and it's over. It's going to be plenty of rolling. It's got an MIP dip in the back of it. Oh yeah boys, it doesn't like to stay on its wheels, this one. Look at that car go, it looks awesome. It's a stunning looking RC, this from Tamiya. I don't think there's anything like it. I want to get a Blackfoot at some point. When I find a chassis I like to get all the different variants of it. Goes though, doesn't it? Nice and smooth. And there we go. Drive shaft popped out the back. Bit of a problem with this chassis. Drive shaft popping out. The back arms flex on this a little bit. And the drive shafts pop out. Stunning looking RC though. Like sun reflecting off them golden wheels. Very dated design. I was out with the grasshopper the other day and I had an absolute ball. lot of fun when it's going. Probably a bit too much power for it, this the hobby wing motor. Classic RC though, classic Tamiya this. When was the, if you know when the Monster Beetle was originally released, drop a comment down below, I'd love to know. And there we go guys, little run of the Tamiya Monster Beetle. Very iconic RC from Tamiya, but it does have its issues. As always guys, thanks very much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one. Oh yeah.